The first time someone told me I couldn't run 5 websites alone, I almost believed them that I was spending 4 hours every morning just checking logs. 4 hours. Before I wrote a single line of code. My phone buzzed non-stop. A server here. A plugin crashed there. I had 8 different tabs open just to track what was broken. Then one night, around 2 a.m., I broke down. Not the dramatic kind. Just sat there staring at my screen. Thinking, maybe they were right, but I found something. An accident, really. A tool built for teams, but I used it solo. CogCloud, it's called. It consolidated everything. My deployments. My monitoring. My backups. One dashboard. Not 10. Before, 4 hours, 20 cups of coffee, 1 breakdown, after, 11 minutes. That's it. I reclaimed 3 hours and 49 minutes every single day. What changed? Not just the time. I started sleeping. I started having dinner with my girlfriend again. I remembered what sunlight felt like, running 5 websites alone. Still hard. But now it feels possible. If you're drowning in the small stuff, drop a comment. Let me know what's breaking you.